Very exciting video, guys. Welcome to another edition of Diskitari. Yeah, guys, I will reveal I'm a player azohamba actually the new signings that will be going with Kaizer Chiefs to Netherlands. So yeah, guys, just before I delve into those very exciting news, remember to in terms of our membership, guys, some of you have sent you your membership cards. Some of you my emails when I bounce. So please, guys, drop me your proper email address on the comments. So if you are watching the video and you want e-membership, just drop a email address yako, or alternatively drop me your numbers and then I will hook you up in a membership. Okay, guys, yeah, back to the news. Ilokuzana, it's believed ukuthi Orlando Pirates was leading the race for Ukwayiba. Ukwayiba is currently with Bafana Bafana. So yeah, Sundowns, I believe Ilokuzan has been very impressed with his performances wakhe during international friendly. And as a matter of fact, it's 2 days ago, Sundowns met with Uchipha Mpangesi to submit an official offer for Ukwayiba. So I just thought Ukwayiba was just being a premature or a prima donna magati. The big three must come and get me. So yeah, I think the agent he was actually speaking that because on the very same day Mamelodi Sundowns beyikhuluma noChipha Mpangesi for uLokuzana Ukwayiba. So we are very motivated by those negotiations. Ukwayiba went on to score his debut goal for Bafana Bafana, winner man of the match. So yeah, I'll keep you in the loop regarding that transfer yaga Ukwayiba, guys. Remember to give it a like and to press that subscribe button. And then, guys, in the yaga Paseka Marco, I can confirm it's not true. However, in the Thabiso Monyane uye umuntu oya lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, gentleman's agreement reached. I think he's following in the steps of Utau, the former Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs captain. So you'll remember that Tau transfer. Yeah, so Nomonyane, it looks like he's followed a similar path. And then yeah, Urulane, just to give you an update on Urulane, as we all know, he is a free agent. Rulani Mokoena met with a consortium a Bloemfontein Celtic. As you know, Bloemfontein Celtic is trying to buy status SuperSport United, and those negotiations are on course. And yeah, they are looking at having Rulani Mokoena as Lokuzana as their new coach. Club mangabe by launcher. So yeah, guys, very exciting news for Rulani. And then yeah, Edson Castillo, guys, it looks like Kaizer Chiefs want to keep Edson Castillo. Yeah, Castillo is currently on international duty. Yeah, my sources tell me that Castillo, Lokuzana, management, they are just trying to work out a way ukuthi bangalokuzana bakhiphe iforeigner eli1 because bazama ukusayina a striker. So I'll tell you about who that striker later on in the video. But Edson Castillo bayazama ukuthi bangamrelease because they still feel that he still has a lot to offer the team, despite season yakhe, the past season he was injured. So yeah, Aston Castillo, good news for you Castillo fans. That is the latest regarding Castillo. And then I read, guys, which there's a striker from Ghana, from the Ghanaian league, the leading goal scorer there for the past 2 seasons. He's linked with Amakosi. So yeah, I believe he's got 12 goals this season. And yeah, looks like they say that Unabi Njomba Beraila Tanzania, he was having a look at him as well, because Beralapa Magdali Simba, the player happens to play for Simba. And yeah, Stephen Mukwala, top scorer last season. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know anything about that. What my sources gave me, ukuthi uNabi bekayo finalizer indaba yaka ye left back lapha ne midfield. So I've already discussed that in my previous video, so I won't go into that information. So yeah, I will just check on the update ukuthi we know that one of the midfielders is currently with Tanzania. Both players are currently in South Africa with the Tanzanian national team. So sizobona ke bafethu ukuthi what happens, because uNabi prioritize a striker, but I do believe ukuthi one of the Tanzanian players has agreed to join Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs has made an agreement with Azam for Usalum. So yeah, Usalum might as well start looking for a house in Johannesburg. And then guys, indaba yaka Stephen Amankona. Stephen Amankona, Ghanaian striker, top scorer, with 15 goals, is not wanted by Kaizer Chiefs as reported in the media. My sources at Galaxy bangitshela ukuthi iTS Galaxy yiyo efake i-offer for lelo Ghanaian. So yeah, he's been one of the impressive strikers on the continent. So we all know Tim Sukazi has an eye for talent. So Tim Sukazi uyifakile i-offer for Stephen Amankona. So watch out for that pending move. Remember where you first heard it. So give me a like, guys. Give it a subscribe, because when the news break, you will remember what was going to be. And then another position, uNabi I prioritize position ka goalkeeper. Nabi is working around the clock. Akalala uNabi bafethu ufuna goalkeeper. The reason being is that he is trying to open up a foreign space. So they are trying to loan out uLokhuzana, uNtwari. So uNtwari iChiefs beyifuna istriker lapha uZamovic lapha ku TS Galaxy. However, because uNabi ngathi uyamthola uFiston Mayele, ufuna ucele ukuthi uKaizer negotiate for uRonaldo Lina. So there's a possible swap deal that's gonna happen for between uNtwari no Ronaldo Lina. So yeah, very exciting move. You know, Ronaldo Lina, guys, mina bengamnaki man. Ngicela ukumbona manje, I think the last 4 games namanje ngimcheckile i-performance yakhe yabafana bafana. It was not bad, but there wasn't much pressure in that game. So I'd like to have more I'll check out some of his videos. Ronaldo Lina. It looks like if the move does materialize and if the two teams do agree, Lokuzan, if TX Galaxy Yamtatu Ntwari, Ronaldo Lina will be going the other way around to Naturena. So yeah, that's the latest regarding goalkeeper Lapagu Kaizer Chiefs. And then now the big news, guys. As you know, with Kaizer Chiefs, they are going to Holland. So I tried to dig around, but my sources refuse to give me more information. I understand which Chiefs will either be going to Eindhoven or Amsterdam. So yeah, those cities are the two cities with good training facilities, Lapayana in Netherlands. So yeah, that's all that banginikezelo kuphela. So angikhoni nami ukuthi nami nginikeze more information because that's all I was given at this stage. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs marketing working very hard in terms of organizing facilities, hotels, and yeah, nama opponents. So basically, I believe PSV they are trying to organize a match with PSV. So angazi ke ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani kule preseason tour Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukuthi bazodlala nabo bani, but I will give you more information when I have it on my desk. And then yeah, guys, so our new signings that will probably be going with Kaizer Chiefs, and I will tell you who will be unveiled and who will be unveiled but remain behind in South Africa. The first one is Oswin Apollis. Oswin Apollis deal was I'm informed it was done 2 days ago. From as I released this video, the deal has been done 2 days ago. No, Oswin Apollis. So Kaizer Chiefs doing a good job of securing Oswin Apollis ahead of a competition from the big three. So you can expect Oswin Apollis to be unveiled, guys. And then also Fiston Mayele, he will be the highest paid player in South African football. Fiston Mayele, he has agreed to join Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs making a big move to not only compete with other teams in Africa. Even Al Ahly were starting to sniff around Fiston Mayele, and I believe some teams in the Middle East bamfuna. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs moving ahead and snapping up Fiston Mayele. I think Nabi playing a leading role in making that deal happen. Yeah, guys, I can safely confirm angikhulumi ke amakusama rumor lawa, guys. I check my sources before ngikhuluma izinto izenza isilima la ku video. So yeah, Fiston Mayele, I'm not sure. Fiston Mayele, it looks like he won't be going to Netherlands because bekadlala ilokhuzana udlale ama-final ayi-2 laphayana ku-CAF Champions League, wadlala nalapha ku-Egyptian Cup. So yeah, I think he will be given, I think, two weeks to rest before joining up with the team and being unveiled. So yeah, I will keep you posted ngendaba kaFiston Mayele. Remember, guys, ukuthi ngithini. So yeah, indaba kaSipho Mbule, as I've already indicated, ukuthi uBobby no Nabi, they had clashes. It's not exactly a clash, but It's one of those things, management mayikhuluma ngama player uthola ukuthi ubani ufuna iplay, ubani ufuna iplay. You know, uBobby is the football manager and it's well within his rights to recommend some players to the coach, especially like uOswena Police. uBobby ulwile ukuze kusignwe uApolice guys. You'll remember ukuthi uOswena Police befuna iChiefs from last season befuna ukumsigna, and it was just a matter of ukuthi bafake imali efunwa iLokhuzana iPolokwane City. So Kaizer Chiefs have done that this time around. So yeah, uNabi, they told him that they will also sign nale player alfunayo, just to ukuthi kube ne competition eteamini. And that player could very well be uPercy Tau. Obviously guys, uPercy Tau, everybody knows Percy Tau. You know, he's played in North Africa, and while uNabi was coaching laphayana eMorocco, beramazi uPercy Tau. So Percy Tau is not new to anyone, so beware of that pending move for uPercy Tau. Percy Tau obviously will be on a lesser salary lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs than he was on lephezulu in the Middle East. So expect Percy Tau to be a glamour boy, because uNabi ukhalile laphayana, ukhalile nge-left footer. So obviously I think it's written in the stars, uNabi ufuna player left footer, and uPercy Tau uba available. So that one is it's a given, guys. And uPercy Tau will be traveling with the team to Netherlands. As a matter of fact, uPercy Tau will be the marquee signing abayi-unveilayo before heading out to the Netherlands. So yeah, very good news for you guys, amakhosi. And then indaba kaYanele Mbuthuma, guys, it's been halted by promotion ka Hlongwane, and then uLokhuzana. Nabi feels uLokhuzana is currently happy with uMorris. So yeah, abuBobby bona bebafuna ukusayina uMbuthuma. However, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with uLokhuzana, uYanele, because namanje seka international. Obviously team Richards Bay angeke isafuna le mali beyifuna. I think they were asking for 5 million, but now that he's playing for Bafana, they'll want even more. So yeah, I don't think management will afford ukuthi basayine abo Fiston Mayele, basayine abo all these star players. I mean, there's so many players linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and let's be realistic, they cannot, and it's impossible for ukuthi babasayine bonke. So yeah, abuMbuthuma, players like abuMbuthuma, they will have to prove themselves yet again kuma team wabo ukuthi they are worth. I mean, uMbuthuma, I wasn't very much impressed with his goals to ratio return. I think he scored something like 5 goals. So yeah, I mean, what is he giving you that uWandile Duba will not give you? And I think uMbuthuma is more like the type of like Morris type of striker. So yeah, I think, but yeah, he's slightly better than Morris, but I think he must still ahlale laphayana ku Richards Bay before joining any big team. Yeah, so young Hlongwane will be traveling with the Kaizer Chiefs to Netherlands. So uNabi ufuna ukubona nama player wakhe awapromisile. You'll remember, guys, uLokhuzana, uKabelo Nkwesa wadlala lapha ku Toyota Cup, wayenza a big mistake, and then iChiefs yadliwa. So he has been officially offered a contract So umfana omncane laphayana ku left back ube yi-player of the season lapha ku DTC, so bahamba naye baya naye Netherlands to plug that left back position. Even last season umfana bahamba naye eTurkey, so even this year they'll be taking him along. So yeah, that boy is making a progress very nicely. Guys, expect Fawaz to be unveiled by Kaizer Chiefs. That's the last signing I'm talking about. So I did mention Apolis, I did mention Fiston Maele, I did mention Upesi Tau, and then the last big name that will be unveiled by Kaizer Chiefs for this transfer window is Fawaz Basadin. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching the video. In terms of Indaba Yama memberships, guys, I'll just remind you again, please drop me your number on the comments box, and then I will send you your membership card, or it's either your email address or your telephone number. Thank you very much for tuning in to the Diski Diary edition. I will see you in the next video, guys. Cheers, bye.